Today I'm going to show you how to remove white backgrounds in Affinity Designer. This is incredibly useful when you need clean, transparent images for your designs or when you're preparing graphics for web use. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file that contains the image with the white background you want to remove, or create a new file to work with. Now look at the upper left toolbar where you'll see different workspace options. Click on Pixel. Switching to Pixel Persona is essential here because it gives you access to the raster editing tools you'll need to select and remove the background effectively. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find various selection tools. Click on the Object Selection Tool icon to expand its options. From the drop-down that appears, select Flood Select Tool. This tool is perfect for selecting areas of similar color, which is exactly what we need for removing a white background. Once you've activated the Flood Select tool, navigate to the upper left area of your screen where you'll see the tool properties. Find the option labeled Tolerance and click the drop-down menu right beside it. You'll see a slider appear that allows you to adjust the tolerance level. This setting determines how similar colors need to be for the tool to select them. Higher tolerance means it will select a wider range of similar shades, while lower tolerance will be more selective. Adjust this slider based on how clean your white background is. Right beside the tolerance setting, you'll notice two checkbox options labeled Contiguous and Anti-Alias. Make sure both of these boxes are checked. The contiguous option ensures that only connected areas of the same color are selected, while Anti-Alias helps create smoother edges around your selection, which is crucial for a professional-looking result. Now comes the action part. Click directly on the white background you want to remove. The Flood Select tool will automatically select the white area based on your tolerance settings. If you're not completely satisfied with the selection after one click, don't worry. You can fine-tune it by adjusting the Flood Select tool settings we discussed earlier, or by dragging across additional areas that weren't captured in the first selection. Once you have the white background fully selected, simply press Delete on your keyboard. The white background will disappear, leaving you with a transparent background instead. You can now save your image with transparency preserved, making it ready for use in any design project. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.